Tom's Little Adventure, reading practice. Tom woke up early. The sun was shining. He smiled and said, "Today will be fun." He put on his shoes and went outside. He saw a small bird on the tree. "Hello, little bird," Tom said. The bird chirped happily. Tom walked to the park. He found a shiny red ball on the grass. He picked it up and kicked it gently. The ball rolled to a small pond. A frog jumped and made the ball move again. Tom laughed. He ran after the ball and the frog. They played together for a long time. When it was time to go home, Tom waved goodbye to the bird and the frog. He said, "Today was a perfect day." Tom went inside, happy and tired. He thought, little adventures make life special.